Okay, so I ordered more stuff for Chili, and the package came today, so I'm gonna open it now to see what I got. Okay, this is what I wanted to get. It's called Seed Coral. Mess free! Yes! I was looking for a bird feeder or something like this because Chili is splashing the food all over the place. My floor is so messy now. Okay. So it's very simple. It's very transparent. You put seeds in here or food and use these hooks to hook it to the cage. Like this. I'm gonna hook it to the cage later. And this is for the bath. It can be used for water bath or sand bath. Since I have bowl for the water bath, I'm just gonna use it for the sand bath because sand bath is gonna be super messy. I tried it on the bowl and Chili made so much mess. My whole floor was covered in sand. I was like, no, that's not acceptable. This is quite big. This is bigger than I thought. There you go. I'm gonna put some sand in it later. And I got more food for Chili. Bird food for very small birds. I hope Chili likes it. And I also got this vitamin supplement because Chili is having some problem with the feather, and I'm not sure if it's because of the nutrition, like lack of the nutrition. So usually people add it to water. I'm gonna just add it to the food, whatever works the best. I also bought the nest for Chili. This is so small, but I think it's perfect for Chili. Okay, let's get you some food first. Aha. Okay, chill. I'm gonna get you some cool stuff. Okay, chill. I opened it. I can smell the fruit. So much fruity smell. Chili, where'd you go? I poured some food in it. And then some treats. And the bottle says just 1 drop. So I'm gonna... Oh. Okay, there's 1 drop. I'm gonna put sand in here. Julie, this is your new house. Your new house. Chili, it's okay. It's okay. Chili, it's okay. Hmm? It's Chili. It's your new house. Ow! Don't do that. Chili, go inside.